baseball here tonight at Newman Park.
I don't remember the first game. They're used to me being at their events. Their parents still said, well, my son didn't have a good night, but you did.
People applaud, and that just thrills me for them to do that.
One of the old guys will send a message out and tell you haven't played the Reading song yet. I looked down and I said, oh, Joe Taylor, he turns around when I play Anchors Away, because he was in the Navy. Then he's wind up. I know he's concentrating on that, and I don't want to interfere with his concentration. Now, one of the mothers from the Moorville team was sitting to our left, coming out. She said, "You made me laugh." Said, "There my son was out there pitching against your team, and there you were playing. What a friend we have in Jesus." Let me know anytime I start stinking up, but I might not realize it. Let me know if I start stinking up. If I can lay it down, then I can still get along all right.